This is the only tool I would use on the lower time frames to increase my win rate by up to 30%. It all comes from understanding the volume and the order flow as price on the lower time frames taps into a 15-minute fair value gap, right? So let's break down this entire strategy from start to finish. So as you know, step one of this strategy is you're looking for a 15-minute fair value gap, right? So this is a 15-minute fair value gap, right? So when price enters this fair value gap, you are simply looking to enter here on the lower time frame. This is the tool I would use to transform my trading forever. And I want traders to understand exactly how this works, right? So what you have over here is very interesting. Just by reading the volume and the delta, right? We have a lot of aggressive buyers over here, aggressive buyers over here, and aggressive buyers over here. Now, this red candle is very interesting because despite the candle being red, the top half is aggressive buyers and the bottom half is aggressive sellers. So you want to apply some kind of common sense to this. You want to ask yourself, so if there's so many buyers inside of this fair value gap, but the market fails to move lower, what that means is that the market is strong in this area. Sellers are strong and buyers are failing to drive price higher. We know that simply because this fair value gap didn't break, right? This fair value gap didn't break, it actually held, right? So this is what confirms the move to the downside. So if you want to know more about how to read order flow and volume correctly, and you want to have access to the correct information, which really is the chart you see here in front of you now, just comment the word delta and I will send you over a free checklist on how I trade this exact strategy.